Every week.
Once a week?
We cook every week.
Once in a week, you know.
Twice, 2 to 3 times a month.
Spinneys, Carrefour.
From a grocery store down my house.
From supermarkets. It can be Giant, Spinneys.
Spinneys, Giant, Lulu,
Okay.
Union Corp, anywhere.
Supermarket. Carrefour, Lulu, or Spinny.
Both.
And what percentage when it comes to fresh and frozen?
Definitely fresh.
Fresh more than frozen. And you feel that there's a vast difference between fresh paneer and frozen paneer?
Well, sometimes, yeah, not always, but like.
I prefer the frozen because the fresh paneer normally becomes brittle if you keep it for too long.
Yeah.
So the frozen always is much better once you put it in warm water. It's much more tastier to cook.
And yes, of course. Frozen paneer is naturally it's not fresh, you know. The
Yeah.
fresh paneer is more softer than the frozen one. And the taste is also better for fresh paneer than the frozen one.
And
Definitely.
paneer?
Not really, no.
No.
It's convenient.
Yeah. Once you put it out for a longer time and you start frying it, it becomes brittle or it becomes over chewy. Whereas when it's frozen, it's already pre-made.
Yeah.
There is some kind of pre-cooking already done. So it retains the softness and the texture in the frozen paneer.
And that's the only reason why you prefer
That's the only reason. Yes.
over fresh paneer. Because frozen paneer is easier to buy, you know.
Yeah.
For buying the fresh paneer, I have to go to Govinda. For frozen paneer, it's available in any supermarket.
What's that
It's
one reason?
easily available.
Yeah, because of the convenience.
I think quality.
We purchase Amul.
Amul. Even Haldiram.
Okay.
Amul and Malai Nanak.
Malai Nanak.
Any do you buy?
Amul, at the moment I'm using Amul.
So trying the first one.
Of it.
First one.
Which one do you prefer?
This one.
Okay.
Which one do you prefer out of the two? This one.
This one.
I think I'll go for this one. Because of the consistency and the tenderness of the paneer.
The texture is softer. It's not brittle.
Okay.
And it's not that chewy. So when you would probably cook it, even in a biryani, which I normally cook it in a biryani more often, it blends better with the rice because it's not hard.
It's much more softer. I like the texture. Feels fresh.
Okay.
Compared to this one, this is much harder. And yeah, it tastes much better.
It's silky texture
Yeah.
and good cube size.
The first one or the second one?
First one.
Yes, I would.
Fine.
This one.
I think I'll go for this one.
Yeah.
Quality.
Quality?
Quality, yes.
Yeah.
This is quality. Yeah, it is softer. Definitely. Yeah.
Thank you. Quality.
Yeah.
I buy quality one also.
Okay. And this
Amul, yes.
So, no,
Second is Amul.
so you prefer quality over
Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.